Oh, hey! Welcome back to the channel. Today we are on day 6 of the 12 Days of Christmas series. Did you guys see that? I can't believe I just caught that without looking. Twice, 2 in a row. In today's video, we are making a very practical, very useful, very functional little thing that you can attach to your keyring. And I'm clearly very late to the party. I tend to avoid using chapstick. I don't know why. For some reason, I feel like it makes your lips more chapped, and I know that that's probably ludicrous, but I will say I just got back from Yosemite, and I was only out there for 3 days, and my lips were so dried and cracked and gross that I have just been on the chapstick train ever since I got home, which is what inspired this idea. Now, all the chapstick holders that I've ever seen are just slip pockets, and your chapstick's just like willy-nilly open to the elements. I just thought that would lend itself to losing it, flipping, I don't know. So I designed this little tiny pouch to have a flap, and if you push on the sides, choop, there you go. There's your access point. You can just push up from the bottom or just bend it back like that, and your chapstick comes right out. Now I'm using Nivea chapstick, which is thicker than like a standard chapstick, but I don't think it's any taller. So if you didn't love how wide this is, which is 2 inches, if you don't love how wide it is, that's totally fine. With a standard size chapstick, just make it a little bit more narrow. Again, as always, these patterns are just ideas. These are jumping off points for you to become creative and take them and do with them what you will. I am going to attach this to my keys using a mini D-ring. I'm using the matte black with this agave cork, and it is a match made in heaven. So get your cork scraps and grab your corset D-rings, and let's make a chapstick holder. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, blah, blah, blah. In today's video, you will just need 1 piece of cork that is 9.5 inches tall. You can also use thin leather, vinyl, any self-healing edge textile for this project. So 9.5 inches tall by 2 inches wide, and 1 corset D-ring. And I'm going to be using my 1/2 inch tape here, but if you have 1/4 inch, or really you don't even need tape, this will just make this part easier. So to get started, after you get your strip cut, go ahead and cut 2 pieces of double stick tape. And the reason I'm using 1/2 inch is because it's going to give me the perfect fold line. But if you want to, you can use 1/4 inch. I mean, just measure. So we're going to be folding over each short edge 1/2 inch. If you don't have tape, you can use clips. It's really quite simple. We don't need to overthink it. But so 1/2 inch on both sides. Like so. And now we are going to pop to the machine, and we are going to top stitch both edges. All right, once you get all of your threads trimmed up, we are going to measure from one short edge 3.25 inches, and we're going to fold on that. So 3 1/4 right here. My pen does not want to work. So 3 1/4 fold up, and then now we're going to stitch up both sides using 1/8 seam allowance. Be sure to backstitch well, especially here at the top. Okay, and next what we're going to do is fold this top section down and overlap by about 1/4 inch right here. And then clip it so it doesn't shift on you. And then we're going to stitch. Now you can stitch across the top if you want to. I like to keep it open just so that it matches on both sides. But we need to stitch our side seams right here. But the kicker is we are not going to stitch onto this section. So where this overlap is, that's where we're going to stop our stitch line. So we're stitching from the top about a half, probably about 3/4 of an inch really, but you can feel where the bump is, and that's where you want to stop. And so we're going to repeat that on this side here. So here is the chapstick holder, and the way that you open it, you kind of just push on the edges here, and you'll see that this little mouth pops open, and then that gives you enough breathing room to get your chapstick in there. And I designed it so that it kind of stayed closed. I didn't want this section to be open, just because if it gets stretched out or if you're throwing your keys around, I just didn't want your chapstick to fall out. Obviously you can fit other stuff in here as well. And if your chapstick is not as thick as mine, this Nivea chapstick is wider than a traditional chapstick, then you can even make it more narrow on the sides, and it doesn't have to be 2 inches wide. You can, you know, lay your chapstick down on your cork and kind of drape it and see how wide you need it to be. I also didn't want it to be so tight that it was really hard to get out of there. So that's another reason why I did it like this. Now, the last thing that we need to do is attach our little D-ring here, so that way we can attach it to our keys. So we're going to punch a hole. I'm going to do top right over here. You can do whatever you want. And then it's up to you if you want the D-ring to be on the front or on the back. I'm going to go with the back. So feed your rivet through and attach this like you normally would. There we go. And now our chapstick holder is complete. All right, you party animals, we are halfway through this 12-day series already. Where does the time go? I mean, as a matter of fact, where is this whole year gone? It's flying by. Is it because I'm getting older? It's like the days are so much shorter. I don't know. Anyways, it's a lot. But I hope that you enjoyed this little treat. I feel like this is a perfect stocking stuffer. Let me know if you agree by commenting below. Also, I wanted to show you my shirt. So this is a maker that was affected by Hurricane Helene. She was going to a market, it got canceled, it was a whole thing. And her business name is called Profound Sass. It is a curse word, so just so you know. But most of you don't know me in person, but I do cuss a lot. I just can't cuss on here because, you know, limitations and such. But I picked up this shirt after Hurricane Helene to try to help out, but I wanted to share it with you, and I'll leave the link below. She's got a lot of fun, like jewelry, shirts, all sorts of fun stuff. I've personally worn her jewelry as well, and it is top-notch, high quality, but her shirts are just really funny. And that is my motto, friends. I will see you back here tomorrow for day 7 of the 12 days of Christmas. Bye. And to all, a good night.